Now let us consider a conical section as shown in the figure, whose length is L and W is its total weight. The top end of the conical section is fixed, whereas the bottom end is free, and the cross section of this conical section is circular, as it is evident from this sectional view BB over here. Now we need to determine the elongation in this conical bar section due to its own weight. Let L be the length of conical bar section. So solution, we again apply elemental approach. Consider a small element of length delta x and at a distance x from lower or free end of section. So this is a small element of length delta x and at a distance x from the bottom or free end. Now we see that this small element is being subjected to load or weight, which is the weight of this small conical section below this small element. So let us define the parameter capital W, which is total weight of conical section in Newton, and small w, which is weight per unit volume, and its unit will be Newton per mm cube. Now the weight per unit volume W is given as weight upon the total volume of the conical section. So now elongation of small element is given as the weight acting on this element, which is equal to weight per unit volume multiplied by volume of this small section which is below the element. So volume of conical section is given as 1 by 3 multiplied by area of this conical section, which will be equal to the area of the small element A multiplied by the length, which is x. So this is the total weight acting on the small element multiplied by the length of the element delta x upon the area of the small element, which is same as A into E, since we know delta L is given as PL upon AE. Now the elongation of the total conical section bar due to the whole weight W will be given by the integral of this term in the limit of length from 0 to L. Also let A be the cross section area of small element. So this is the cross sectional area A. Now we see that the load, which is nothing but the weight acting on the small element, is equal to the weight of this small conical section which is below the small element. So extension of small element is given as the weight, which is equal to weight per unit volume multiplied by volume of this small conical section, which is given as 1 by 3 of area multiplied by length, which is x. This multiplied by length delta x upon AE, since we know the delta L is given as PL upon AE, where P is the load, which is nothing but weight of this small conical section below the element. So now the total extension of the rod due to the whole weight capital W will be equal to the integral of this term from the limit ranging from 0 to total length L. So we have extension of whole rod delta L equal to integral from 0 to L W into A into x dx upon 3 AE. Now we see that this weight per unit volume W and this capital E is constant. So taking the constants outside, we have delta L is equal to W by 3E into integral of x dx in the limit 0 to L. Now upon integrating, we have delta L is equal to W by 3E into x square by 2 with the limit 0 to L. Now upon applying the limits, we have delta L is equal to W by 3E into L square minus 0 by 2. So the expression for elongation in conical section bar due to self weight is WL square by 6E. So this is our second answer. With this, our problem is over. Thanks for watching.